I'm going over Iris today. Iris3. This is where you get board papers, board reports, board minutes, those kind of stuff. And so this is like a World Bank record repository. It's like iDesk, IFC's iDesk, where we put all the electronic stuff. And this has all the bank board papers and a lot of other stuff. And it's Iris stands for Integrated Records and Information Services. And what you can find in there is all these board minutes, summary of discussions, committee documents, all those kind of things. Okay, how do you access Iris? Everybody has access to Iris. It's like Lars. You don't need password or anything. Once you are logged in your Windows password, you are logged in. So you don't need password. So how you access to this Iris is you type in on the URL, you type in iris3worldbank.org. And then you get this screen below. But when you first log in, you don't get this screen. You have to set up to get this screen. So what you do is you have here you see here my settings. You have to click that. Okay. The first time you log in, you will get this screen. It's not set up. So to set up, the instruction is out there. And you select the very bottom one, SEC Board Documents Bank-wide. You say Show, Select by default. And that's how you get the previous screen. And a lot of times, your lawyers ask for minutes for certain projects, board minutes to prove that the project was approved on certain day. So this is one place you will find the board minutes. And I highlighted these to show you where to go. These. You go to our World Bank intranet homepage, About Us, then Organization, Board of Executives, and you find board minutes. And most of these are publicly available in the IFC external website. And the next screen, this is document shows that these documents are publicly available. They are marked. It says public disclosure authorized. So these are available for external client. Okay, this is just an overview. So I want to go through to show you what you would look up in the Iris. A very important thing is you want to get as much information as possible. A lot of times you want these informations. These board numbers, any of these, and or date, or title. So if you have as much information as possible, you can narrow down your search. So now, that's the end of my slide. So now I want to go to show you how it appears when you go into IFC intranet and try to log into Iris. You type in Iris3 World Bank. worldbank.org. Oh, this one is set up. So usually what you get is you won't get this screen. So you go to My Settings here, and then you scroll down and select SEC, as you will see in the handout. This SEC Board Bank-wide. You say select by default.
Do you need to unselect all the others?
No.
But that's what it's saying here.
What?
She's trying to do it.
Where?
It's saying first unpick the other collections and then yes.
Yeah, the very first one, it says hide. The very first one, most of these are already clicked hide. So then you get this screen. And so all these like board documents, if you look, when you get time, you can just play around and see what's in there. And most of the time, what you're looking for is board approval, board policy, or minutes. You can see here minutes, and like minutes. If you know when it was approved, which year, you can always go through by year. Like for example, 2010. You know it was approved in 2010. Then you can hit that and look for the date, or put in the board document number, or just to narrow down the search. Try to narrow down as much as possible. But if you just hit this, see it has all IFC, IDA, a lot of things. So you can narrow down by doing search within, and then you can select by organization, SEC organization. You can put IFC, okay, and put the document number. For example, this document number here, I know the document number, so I'm going to put this IFC / R2009, just as it appears. 0097, and I'll say not document name, I will say document name or full text. Sometimes it takes time. It's looking. So no, you don't need a password. So anytime you can try. There's a lot of instructions there how to find. Oh, okay, this it didn't find, so that's okay. So what we can do is we can try by doing okay. If I know the date, I can always put the date to narrow down search. Okay, it didn't find. That's okay. It happens. Yeah, you have to just try. Yeah.
Even IDAs.
Okay. Other thing, you can add in there, and sometimes you can do in here, but on the bottom one, when you check this, the format doesn't work this way. So what you do is you do this, and then no zeros. Huh?
You have extra zero.
Oh yeah, that's right. Andrew always has good eyes. See, hey, I found it. The first thing is you have to see this screen is now it's not an excuse, but I don't see it. You have to be in SEC. Yeah, as long as you're in SEC, SEC here. Where is it? SEC. Do you see? Okay. See, then you have this project here, and you open the project, the document. You can save as something and then send to somebody. Or if you have email option, you can email. You save as, and then you can forward to somebody. So I think this is it. You can just try. Go Iris and try checking. Just use the word that's most prominent and make sure you are in the right folder. Like because I was in minutes, I couldn't find that. It wasn't in the minute. So I think, did I miss anything, Iris? You log out. After you're done, you log out. Is it? Oh, here, log out.
It's the screen.
It's the screen. I think, yeah. After you're done, you log out and you're done. If you have questions, just call me. Sometimes it takes time. You have to know where you are exactly, in which folder. I noticed from experience, if you just do overall search and look for the thing, it helps better. Like if you went to minutes and looking for something, it's not categorized as minutes, so you won't find it like I just did. Now I think I can hand over to Vidyu.
Okay.
Oh, Cesar, sorry. That's my little Iris.